Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the homemade tasting minutes Idahoan 4-cheese mashed potatoes, and the bottom just says made with 100% real Idaho potatoes perfectly blended with cheddar, blue Romano, and Parmesan cheese, and it just says America's favorite mashed potatoes. Getting started on these potatoes. Actually, before I get started, I just want to show you guys the packaging. Up here in the corner, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it just says tear notch for easy opening. And then down here it's 4 and 1.5 cup servings. The net weight of this product is 4 ounces, 113.4 G. It says based in part of Nielsen sales, and these are the serving suggestions. Okay, so remember this guys later on, but these are the suggestions. And on the back, and guys, this pack actually is about to expire, so I have to eat these soon. But it just tells you some stovetop directions, microwave directions, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, getting started on this product. So if any of you guys are familiar with this brand and you know about the cup, like the cup servings that they make, how I got introduced to it. Growing up, I wasn't like very involved in my kitchen, and when I did start getting older, my mom did start making me like make certain things. When it came to mashed potatoes, I come from a family who my mom was a stay-at-home mom, so like this is just my opinion, and I am not trying to come off offensive or anything, but I just feel like a lot of stay-at-home moms are more innovative in a way where they have more time to do certain things. And so my mom will be the type of mom to make potatoes from scratch. So we never had any like instant potatoes in my house, or like we never really had any like these. We never really had any like packeted potatoes. It was just more so like potatoes from scratch, and I remember her making me like boiled potatoes and stuff like that, and then like mashing them. But yeah, so going my freshman year of college, when I got like all my care packages and stuff, my aunt actually sent me like the little cups of these Idaho potatoes. And guys, when I tell you I was so confused, I didn't even know what an instant potato was. I didn't even know they existed. The first time me trying to make one of those little cups, I'm pretty sure it exploded in my microwave because I was just very confused. But the one thing that I really have to say about this brand is the best instant potatoes you'll ever taste. So now that I'm older and I live like in my own apartment and I cook for myself, obviously like I don't have time to be boiling potatoes and be trying to mash them. I love my mom dearly for doing that, but like I do not have time. And so the best quick fix that I found when it came to potatoes, and like potatoes that kind of taste like my mom, has been these potatoes. They honestly, like, the packet is not lying. Like, it honestly does give you like a home cooked taste. I'm going to tell you guys in a little bit some things that I do to these potatoes to make it a little bit more authentic for me. But yeah, like these potatoes honestly are the real deal, and especially for something that comes in a packet. Guys, these potatoes are inexpensive too. So like that's the other thing that I can say. It's very, and like I just graduated from college, but I'm still on a college budget, and I am very like particular about the things that I use. But yeah, this is inexpensive. It cooks in like 3 or 4, it depends on which venue you do it. If you're doing it in the microwave, it cooks in about 5 minutes depending on how you like the consistency of your potatoes. Stovetop usually cooks around like, I would say 10 minutes for me, just because of the things that I do to the potatoes. And then I don't know if they have it only had the stovetop and the microwave directions, but I actually have seen a couple of my friends do it in the microwave or do it in the oven. So I don't know, that could be another option, but yeah. But some things that I do to these potatoes are, like with the 4 cheese, let's say I go cook these, which I probably will have for dinner tonight. Some cool things that I will tend to do is I will tend to put sour cream in my potatoes. So I don't know, and especially with like the cheesy potatoes or the low, guys, okay, these are this is my like favorite kind of the Idahoan potatoes, the 4 cheese ones. But guys, my second favorite has to be the loaded potato. If you have not tried either one of these, I suggest you try them. They're so good. But I tend to put sour cream in both of those because it tastes so good. And I have chives and I'll add chives and I'll actually add my own bacon to them. So although like if I just ate them regular, it would be super good. Guys, when you add stuff to these potatoes, it just makes the experience so much more better. Like I can't even explain it, but it just honestly is, it just is such a good, like the potato just tastes so good. And then some other cool things that I kind of do to some of my potatoes is when I'm cooking it on the stove, it says like you add water and milk to them. I tend to just only add milk to my potatoes. I think that it tastes better and more flavorful. And then I love seasoning these potatoes with a little bit of garlic. But the one thing that I do love about these potatoes is that you don't need that much seasoning for them because the potato itself is already seasoned. So that's the other cool part about these potatoes. And like I said, upon them like cooking quick, like I mean, like if you're in school, like you really don't have the time to commit to be hand making everything. So I do think that this is like such a good venue and stuff. But yeah, like I said before, I love these potatoes. I definitely suggest this. It's inexpensive and it cooks quick. And these are just the Idahoan 4 cheese mashed potatoes.